Good morning, sir. My name is Snehal Jendra Bhoy. My topic name is Operation on Lathe Machine. So, first is aim of micro project. To perform the various operation on lathe machine like tapping, knurling, facing, turning, chamfering, taper turning, drilling, thread cutting, etc., and understand this operation. Next, working principle. The lathe is a machine tool which holds the workpiece between two rigid and strong support called centers or in a chuck or faceplate which revolves. The cutting tool is rigidly held and supported in a tool post which is fed against in the revolving work. The normal cutting operations are performed with the cutting tool fed either parallel or at right angles to the axis of the work. This is the figure shows the working principle of lathe machine. Introduction. Lathe is the father of all machine tools. It was actually the first machine tool which came into being as a useful machine for metal turning. There are various operations performed on lathe are given below. First, facing, second, turning, third one is chamfering, fourth, knurling, fifth, drilling, sixth, reaming, seventh, thread cutting, 8, boring, 9, parting off, 10, form turning, 11, spinning, and last one is tapping. So, first one is facing operations. Facing on the lathe uses a facing tool to cut a flat surface perpendicular to the workpiece rotational axis. A facing tool is mounted into a tool holder that rests on the carriage of the lathe. The tool will then fed perpendicularly across the part's rotational axis and spins in the jaws of the chuck. This operation is performed on lathe machine. Uh, Next one is turning operation. The general process of turning involves a rotating part while a single point cutting tool is moved parallel to the axis of rotation. Turning can be done on the external surface of the part as well as internal surface. The internal surface process is known as boring. Turning operation is performed on lathe. The lathe removes unwanted material from a piece of work to give the required shape and size. This is done by holding the work rigidly between two supports and removing the metal from the rotating piece with the help of cutting tool. The workpiece is rotated at desired speed and the tool removes the metal in the form of chips. This is the taper turning operation. This is the important operation of lathe machine. Taper turning produces a cylindrical shape that gradually decreases in diameter from one end to the other end. This can be achieved from compound slide, from taper turning attachment, using a hydraulic copy attachment, using CNC lathe. This is the figure shows taper turning. Next operation is chamfering. This operation is performed on lathe. This operation is performed to give bevel shape to the end of the workpiece for removing burrs and protecting the end from being damaged. It is very essential after thread cutting so that the nut may pass freely on the threaded portion. This figure shows the chamfering operation. Knurling. Knurling is the operation of producing deep impression of diamond shaped pattern on the surface of the work. The cutting of serrated pattern onto the surface of a part to use a hand grip or as a visual enhancement using a special purpose knurling tool. This operation gives the grip to the work. This is the next is drilling operation. It is operation producing a cylindrical hole in the workpiece by means of multi-point cutting tool known as drill is used to remove material from the inside of a workpiece. This process utilizes standard drill bits, hence stationary in the tailstock or tool turret of the lathe. This process can be done by separately available drilling machine. The reaming, the sizing operation that removes a small amount of metal from a hole already drilled. It is done for making internal holes of very accurate diameters. For example, a 6 mm hole is made by drilling with 5.98 mm drill bit and then reamed to accurate dimension. This is the figure of reaming operation. Next operation is thread cutting. Thread cutting means producing thread of different type of pitches on cylindrical jobs. Thread operation include all type of external and internal threads, forms using a single point tool, also taper threads, double star threads, multi star threads, worm as used in worm wheel reduction boxes, lead screw with single or multi star threads. This is the figure of thread cutting operation. Next operation is boring operation. This operation is performed for enlarging and making the hole during which is produced by drilling, casting, punching or forging. The work revolves in a chuck or faceplate and the boring tool which is fitted in the tool post and is fed into the work. This operation is performed on lathe machine. This is the figure of boring operation. Parting off. Parting means cutting the workpiece. Parting uses a blade-like cutting tool plunged directly into the workpiece to cut off the workpiece at a specific length. It is normally used to remove the finished end of a workpiece from the bar stock that is clamped in the chuck. Other uses include things such as cutting the head of a bolt. This is the figure of parting operation. Form turning. The repetition turning of small article having a curved profile such as handles, knobs, etc. may be executed by the use of broad tool ground to the required profile such as form tool is essentially a special tool and can be used economically of production work. For odd jobs, form turning may be accompanied by either hand feeding throughout. Spinning. Metal spinning, also known as spin forming or spinning or metal turning operation. Most commonly is a metal working process by which a disc or tube of metal is rotated at high speed and form into an axially symmetric part. Spinning can be performed by hand or CNC lathe. And last operation is tapping. This operation is performed on lathe machine. Small threads can be tapped in the lathe with hand taps set up as in case of reaming. The work is mounted on a chuck or faceplate and revolve at very slow speed either by hand or with the back gear engaged if tapping through a hole. This is the figure of tapping operation. Actual procedure followed. First we are discussed in a group, then the topic will be choose, that is operation on lathe machine. Second, then confirm the topic to respective subject teacher. Third, all the work divided in our group member. Then information will be collected by the use of internet and reference books. Make the project notes. Next, I prepare the project report. Then all participants to meet and make a soft copy of flex. Then this copy will be checked to teacher and confirm it. This soft copy is used to make the flex print. Then the print of micro project. And finally report the micro project. Skill develop and output. First one is understood overall about the lathe machine. Second, where make the project. I introduce the skill like teamwork, leadership, confidence, increase in ourselves, etc. Third one is where study about the operations performed on lathe machine. We understood how lathe machine will be working. performing operation on lathe machine, some practical experience will be increased. Reference: the information are collected by the use of reference books. By the use of internet, the information are collected. There are various sites such as www.google.com, www.youtube.com, www.wikipedia.com, etc. Thanking you.